Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to animate a bunch of images which is present inside a directory in OpenCV with multiple transition effects and animations. Let me just launch the application right here from the terminal. So you will see it's a simple Python script which will animate all these images inside a window with the multiple transition effects. So let me just launch this application. So now you can see that each image will appear for 3 seconds and then it will go away with random transition animation effects. It's a slideshow. You can see it will navigate to the next image. So all these images which are present right here in the directory, one by one each image will appear. And as you can see, you can build out this nice little slideshow inside the OpenCV. So then automatically it will close. So all the script I have given in the description of the video. So for building this you need quite a lot of packages. So first of all you just need to install OpenCV. So OpenCV dash Python, this is the first module that you need to install. Secondly, you also need the Numpy module as well. So also install this as well. I've already installed both these modules. So now I will show you from scratch how to build this. So all the source code will be given in the description of the video. So first of all, just you need to require the necessary packages. So we will require the OpenCV package and NumPy2 NumPy package as well. Then we need the operating system module, the time module, and the random module as well. So these are built-in modules. And after that, we need to actually define inside the main function. So right here, we will simply define a set of animations or transition effects that will be applied automatically whenever we will be making. So first will be horizontal scroll, second will be vertical scroll, then we will be also be rotating the image, zooming in. So these are random animation effects that will be applied, fading image. So we have just defined it inside this array of animations. Then we just need to get the image files which are present. So for this I will just write a simple function, get image files. So all my image files, as you can see, it is present in the home directory. So you can just pass the directory where all your images are present. After that, I just need to define this function here, which is get image files. It will essentially go to this directory and return all the images which are supported extensions JPG, PNG, BMP, JPG. So once you get all your image files, you can simply loop through like this, and for each image we can read this image by the OpenCV method image read. After reading it, we will basically apply the animation using the random modules, or we are applying the random animation using that animations array. I is equal to 0, and we'll be applying the starting time, time, and inside this while loop we will just increment the value of I by 1. So after each image I will increment the value of I, and then we will apply this animation it, image I each frame. So after this we will show this image inside the window by this image show method. So this will be a title of the window will be image slideshow, and the frame will be shown. So then we will wait for a certain amount of time here. So this is set to 10. So here we are waiting for each image, and then we are navigating to the next image. So here we are binding some shortcuts. So if you press the Q key on the keyboard, your application will close. And then we are showing the animation for 3 seconds, and then we are breaking to the next image. So you can see we are showing the animation for 3 seconds, and then we are breaking it. So then we are destroying all the windows coming out of this loop. So that's all that is needed for this application. So now we just need to define all these 5 animations that we have defined here, which is horizontal scroll, vertical scroll, rotate image. These are all the 5 functions. I have given all this source code in the description of the video. So these are all the 5 functions which are there. So I will just define this and explain you what is happening. So they are just applying the OpenCV animations. All these animations and effects are supported by OpenCV. So you can see zooming in, rotating this image like this, vertical scroll, horizontal scroll, all that stuff. So this is essentially this. If you will see, it is saying on line number 49, image is not defined. So this will be image underscore files. Sorry. So now you can see it is appearing it for 2 seconds, and then it's navigating to the next image with all these cool little transition and animating effects right here. It is also rotating, fading, zooming in on a particular image. So you can do this very easily inside OpenCV and Numpy. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.